Good morning everyone and welcome to Technique Tuesday at Quilts by Jen. My name is Jennifer Houlden. Today we're going to learn how to make flying geese with a no waste method. To make the flying geese you will need a cutting mat, a ruler, a rotary cutter, and a HB pencil or a fabric chalking wheel if you prefer. I've already cut out my squares, and for the no waste method I'm going to make a 6-inch block. The 6-inch block needs to have 1 1/4 inches added to it, and you cut a 7 1/4 inch block. This will be the body of my goose. The wings are 3 inches, but you need to add a 7/8 inch to it, so you cut a 3 7/8 inch block square. And you need 4 of those. Draw a pencil line along the small squares on the wrong side of the fabric from corner to corner, using a sharp pencil, and place it more at an angle on its side, and it will flow along the fabric much easier. Your large square place down on your mat with the right side facing up towards you. Take a small square and place it in the corner of the large square with the pencil line going into the corner and facing to you. Repeat on the other corner. Your pencil lines should match up to make one continuous line. Place your pieces underneath the foot of your sewing machine with the edge of the foot lined up on the line. Sew a 1/4 inch seam down the full length of the line. If you're making more than one set of geese, chain sewing works just fine here and speeds up the process. There's no need to cut any threads here. Just lift up your foot and your needle and pull the thread out of the machine so that you have a little bit of tail here, and turn it around and start again down to the other side. Cut apart the square on the pencil line to create 2 units. Set your seam and press the small triangle away from the large triangle. Place remaining squares in the corner of the large triangle, making sure the pencil line is going up through the 2 other small triangles. Once again, line up your foot on the pencil line and sew a 1/4 inch down the line. Repeat on the other side of the pencil line. Cut along the pencil line to create 2 units. Press the small triangle open away from the large triangle to create 1 flying geese unit. Once you finish ironing all your flying geese, we'll take it back to the cutting board and trim off the dog ears. Trim off your dog ears with either a rotary cutter or a pair of scissors. From 1 large square and 4 small squares you will yield 4 flying geese units. So there you have it, ladies, a nice easy no waste method of making flying geese. I hope you've enjoyed this week's Technique Tuesday and will join me again next week.